Welcome to my brand new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register on GMP platform. So guys, I'm going to drop the link, the registration link in my video description, or you get it in the comment section. That's where I'm going to drop it. Mind you, the registration is free. So this is my own GMP. So if you click the link, it will bring you to this interface. If you click the link, you see something like this. Yeah, something like this. This code, do not change it, is the invitation code so that you get your own reward. If you remove this code, you will not get the reward. So this is how you do. Put your phone number, your name, your password, confirm your password, then register. Okay, when you register, you press register, it will bring you to the interface. Me, I've already registered. I'll just log in on it. Log in. So guys, if you have any problem about this app when registering, you can see this number here. You can message me on Telegram. Just search hi, just type hi legit update and type your problem about the platform. So I'll explain for you. But after that, I will drop my WhatsApp link community in the description of this video. You can join my WhatsApp link community so that anytime I have an information, I'm normally drop it there. So if you need any legit information, you will get it there, not here. So when you register, you just use the link and go to my WhatsApp community. So let's log in. You're seeing something like this. So when you log in, this is how your interface will look like. Sharp. This is how your interface will look. Just log in like this. Mind you, I'm going to warn you guys. We are here just for the free money. I said what? We are here for the free money they are giving. Do not, you see this recharge. When you click on it, it will show you transfer address, blah 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 blah. Do not register, as in sorry, do not deposit anything. Like, do not deposit anything. If you deposit anything, these people run away with your money. Legit update will not be for all responsible. We are just here for the free money they are giving. Do not deposit anything. You can see how people are earning in this platform. Just check on here, check here, check here. You see how people are earning in the platform. It's very legit, as legitimate. You can see how people are earning on it. So guys, the daily tax, the tax we are going to do is is 5 tax daily. I have a video about the tax. Checked on my videos. You watch the video that tell you how to do the tax. I know you'll be confused where you are going to do the tax. When you register, check on my videos. You will see the video that I did on how to do the daily tax. That's where the next video I'm going to do is how to do your real name authentication. Yes, real name authentication. As we are seeing it here, as you are seeing it here, as you are seeing it here, this one. My next video is how you are going to do your real name authentication. Yeah, kindly comment, share the video for your friends, join my community, WhatsApp community for more information, and so that I will guide you on how you be doing any signal, any information, any legit information that come about the platform urgently. I will drop it. So kindly use the link in my comment section or go to the video description. You see the link here with my WhatsApp community link. When you register, and when you register, I have a video of how you do your tax. So you just go and watch the video on how you are going to do the tax, guys. This platform is legit. People are earning on it. Don't waste time. Stop saying I don't have data. I don't do this. This one is not something that will waste your data. Just 5 minutes, you are done with one day. 5 minutes, you are done with one day. 15 naira data will 50 naira data will do your daily tax. So as you can see how people are earning on it. When something come like this, guys, let's just put head. You know, all these crypto these things, all these crypto things, when they come new, they are legit. When they come new, they are legit. They just launched this platform this month. So people are putting their head on it. So we are going to use it, put our head on it, guys. So guys, let us not let this opportunity miss us. If something is come, let's put our head together. You can see how people are aiming on it. You see my commission. I have 114 commission. I have not froze it. I have not froze the balance. You see, it's the USDT balance is 00. It's not that it cannot come here. I'm the one that did not froze it. If you want to withdraw now, you press on this. As you see this commission, press on it. When you press on it, you see this extract. Press on the extract. The minimum withdrawal is $200. I can see now I have $144. I only remain small. So for now, I'm not withdrawing it. I've not reached the minimum because I've withdrawn the first one first. So I've not reached the minimum for now. So guys, as I was saying, only 5 tax daily, and every one tax is $3. Any one tax is $3. Just imagine in 10 days, five tax and three